Portable Apple CarPlay screen for car. 9 wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. 4K dash cam, 1080p backup camera DVR. Car audio receivers GPS navigation mirror link, Bluetooth, FM, Siri. Brand Matte Oak. Vehicle service type car. Screen size 9 inches. Special feature Android Auto. GPS navigation, Apple CarPlay. SD card input, voice control. Connectivity technology Bluetooth, auxiliary, Wi-Fi. Map type worldwide. Included components 9 inches screen. 1 camera with cable, 160 for gigabytes TF. 1 power cord to bracket stand. Audio output mode stereo. Mounting type dashboard mount. Resolution 1080p. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, even if your car is very old. Using Matte Oak wireless CarPlay instantly upgrades your car. When you slide into the car, you can effortlessly synchronize with the car's display screen, seamlessly integrating your smartphone into your drive trip. Upgrade Bluetooth stereo and voice control. Car touchscreen can be seamlessly connected to your car's factory stereo system via Bluetooth transmission or O input. All audio will be played through the original car speaker with voice control through Siri or Google Assistant. You can safely and comfortably navigate through various features without the need to touch the screen. Online maps and real-time GPS. The 9-inch portable Apple CarPlay screen provides precise real-time location and GPS navigation without delay. Allow you to use popular map applications such as Google Maps and Waze to provide real-time route recommendations for traffic congestion and lane changes. This GPS navigation system can use the latest smartphone GPS data for real-time navigation without frequent updates. 4K 1080p dual dash cam recording. This wireless Apple CarPlay screen front 4K and rear 1080p cameras. It delivers detailed dual screen loop recording with intelligent motion detection and emergency lock. Important footage is never lost. You can watch video replays on your phone and never miss any important moments. Customize the startup logo. We have been committed to providing customers with the highest quality products and after-sales service. Each customer can customize their own startup logo. Just send us your logo photo. It will be a great gift to your friends, kids, lovers, and family members. Easy installation and fit all different car. No need to disassemble your car's console. Keep your car original radio. Perfect coexistence, even if your model lacks a USB port. Power it up from the cigarette lighter without hogging space. The car radio with screen is suitable for most motor vehicles, such as cars, trucks, vans, buses, pickups, etc.